Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and for those of you that are new here, welcome. Today we're going to be making an easy sandwich recipe for tuna fish, and that's going to be tuna on toast. So if you're looking for any recipes with tuna, canned tuna recipes, or just a cheap dinner idea for the family, this is great. Right here I bought, instead of buying a single can, and I bought, this is a multi-pack of 4 cans, and what it has in it is, the reason I bought this one is because if you buy 1 can of tuna, it's almost $3 for a can of tuna, and I don't want to spend so much when you can get a 4-pack for way less than that. So this one was $8.99, and it's not even on sale. I believe this is the regular price for a 4-pack. But if you're going to buy them individually, then it's not so cheap anymore. It's $12 for 4, which is, that's ridiculous. Especially, thinking about the price of tunas in the past. So it's a cheap dinner idea, and, it's a great sandwich idea for the family. Quick one. You don't have to be all day in the kitchen. You don't feel like it's a hot day. You don't feel like being in that kitchen. You just take a can of tuna. If it's one person, if it's multiple people in the family, you can use as many cans as you need. And for this recipe today, and I also feel this is a very healthy, sandwich idea. It's just tuna. You drain, this one is in vegetable oil. You drain the oil, you add some mayonnaise, and I'm going to dice some onion. Okay, and that's going to be on toast. So I'm going to take my can of tuna, and I'm only using one. I'm going to just quickly wipe the top of it. Alrighty, so we're going to open this up. Okay, then we're going to drain that. Just drain as much of the oil as you can. And if you want to just take it a step further, put it on and blot it on some paper towel, you can. Okay. So that's going to go in the dish. And I'm only going to use 1 can because I'm only making 2 sandwiches. That's usually 1 can is enough for 2 sandwiches. Alright, then I'm going to take my onions, and we're going to dice these. Alrighty. And I'm not going to dice too much because even though this is for 2 people, I'm the only one that likes onions here in the sandwich, so I'm only going to dice a little bit. Okay, there you go. And I like to dice this very, very thinly. And something else I like to put in my tuna fish sandwiches is celery. Okay, but I don't have any celery right now. When I went to the store, I forgot to pick it up. But I do like celery. I like the flavor that it gives the sandwich. And I also see that some people season their tuna fish sandwiches with some seasonings. I haven't done that. I enjoy my tuna fish sandwich with just the onions and celery and the mayonnaise. Okay, so I've got some onions here. Okay. Okay, move this to the side. Okay, I'm not going to add that yet because the onions are going to be only for my sandwich. So, okay, and we're going to get a separate spoon. Now, again, I don't add a lot of mayonnaise to this. Some people like a lot of mayonnaise in the tuna sandwich. Okay, I used to like a lot of mayonnaise, but one time I made the sandwiches not too long ago for my, oh, you know what would be nice in here too? Some black pepper. Okay, for my son, and he said, oh my goodness, Ma, it's too much mayonnaise in there. So I stopped using, a lot of mayonnaise. So now I just put, I think that was about a tablespoon or a little bit less. No, it looks like 2 teaspoons. It was a heaping, like a pretty large teaspoon. So that was about 2 teaspoons or a teaspoon and a half. Okay, so that's that. Then I'm gonna, in a separate container, I'm gonna add half of this. This is gonna be for one sandwich. So half. There you go. And I'm gonna add some of these onions because I cut up a little too much. I think I'll add a little bit more. And now that I think of it, I'm gonna add some black pepper in this. Add the black pepper. Okay. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, at this point, if you feel there are any other seasonings that you like in your tuna fish sandwich, of course, go ahead and add them. Okay, so now I'm going to toast my bread. I haven't toasted the bread, and we'll be back. Okay, so we've got our toast. All right, I'm going to put a little bit of lettuce in the bottom of this toast. Alrighty. Got a little bit of lettuce left here from some chopped sandwich I made yesterday. So I guess we're gonna use that. It's got, oh, you know what? This has cucumber in it. But you know what? That's fine. It's not that much. Okay. And there you go. Tuna fish. Okay guys, you let me know down below in the comments how you like to make your tuna fish sandwich. And if you do like to add some spices into it or some other seasonings into it, just let me know. And I just got spooked over here because my poster board almost fell. Okay, I wasn't expecting that to move. There you go. Okay. This side looks prettier. Okay, what I want to do is I want to slice that. gonna leave it like that for the thumbnail, but you know what? I think that I'll slice it. Let's slice it this way. There's so many different ways to slice it. Sometimes I like to slice it diagonally this way, but you know what? Just do it the lengthwise today. Alrighty. Okay, and that's okay. That's our sandwich. Okay, that's what it looks like. Hey guys, I hope you try this, and I hope you let me know down in the comments how you make your tuna fish sandwich, and if you like tuna fish sandwiches, what you add to them. And it may maybe you don't like mayo, or you like a certain type of mayo, because now we have different types of mayos in the market. Mayonnaises, so just let me know down in the comments, and thanks for coming by.